Hello there, I'm glad to have you. In this video, we're going to determine which plane flies faster, plane A or plane B. We're going to use the formula distance equals rate times time, and we're going to write it for each plane. It says that plane A flies at 800 miles, which is the distance, in 1.5 hours, which is the time. So I'm going to put 800 under distance and 1.5 under time. Now normally I would need to multiply the rate times the time in order to get the distance, but since I've been given the distance, I need to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. 800 divided by 1.5 gives me a rate of 533.33, which is like 533 miles per hour. Over here, for plane B, it says the function, the f of x, equals 400 times x, which in this scenario, they used this to represent the distance, they used x to represent the time, and they already had determined the rate. So it's already been done for us. Now we just have to determine, is 533 or 400 greater? And you've got it. 533 is a greater average speed. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.